All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with GetLocalLeads.ai, where we are continuing our series Questions for the AI Founder, where we're answering your AI and AI visibility questions to help you not only survive, but to thrive in this transition that we're all going through with AI. Okay, so of course, my team tells me I've got to keep these videos to 5 minutes and the timer is set. The question that we've got for today is how do I use AI for business? So this one's a lot more broad. And there are two ways you can use AI for business that is just immensely profitable. And we'll maybe get to the profit there toward the end. But the first way is to implement AI in anything that you have a standard operating procedure for or a very clear workflow. Because if it's repeatable, basically an AI can do this. Now, I know a lot of people are familiar with tools like ChatGPT, which obviously have limited functionality, and that's what they think it is. That is not really what AI is. AI can be plugged into any tool essentially that has a backdoor called an API. And so you can make highly sophisticated AI systems that can replace people. And we've done that over here. We work with a very streamlined team, but our systems over here can do the work of dozens and dozens of people because we've leveraged AI for repeatable systems. So if you can define that system, if you repeat that system over and over and over, you can essentially get an AI to do it as long as it doesn't require hands to go on something. If it's a digital task, you can pretty much automate it if it's repeated. So the second thing is decisions that you can provide the criteria for. So if I have a decision and it said, in this situation, you choose A, and if in this decision, you choose path B, this is something you couldn't automate in the past, but you can do now. So if you're familiar with Zapier or, Make.com or like any of these different systems, you really had to do some really crazy complex logic stuff in the past. Whereas now you can just tell an AI, like in these situations, do this, otherwise do that. And you have a decision maker on hand that can filter requests. And then that you plug that into your kind of consistent things that you can, like we talked about before. Well, you can really streamline just about all of your digital tasks. Now, the more complex the decision, the harder it is to train an AI agent to make those for you. Now, let's wrap back around and talk about why we would want to put AI in our business, okay? So, when we have an AI, it can work 24 hours a day. It can work 7 days a week. These AIs that are coming out now, Gemini 3, ChatGPT 5.2 just came out. They're smarter than people. Okay. They have a PhD level of intelligence in every single field imaginable. So it's just a question of can we really tell it what we want? It's about us articulating what we want it to do. And the other thing is it works 24 hours a day. It's cheaper than human labor by far, and it never makes mistakes so long as I've communicated with it appropriately. And so what AI is going to do, whether or not you do it, I'm just telling you the facts of what I'm seeing on the ground as an AI agency founder. What's happening is all of the simple tasks are going to disappear. And the efficiency in business is going to go through the roof, and people are going to be left with the human touch points and the, at least for now, the really sophisticated decisions that AI can't make. And that is quickly going away as well. So it is going to become about authenticity in the future, and most tasks aren't going to require people. Okay. And the question is just whether you're implementing AI to make your business efficient faster than your competitors. Because if your competitors are implementing this and cutting their costs and streamlining their costs, they're going to be able to take a larger workload than you can, and they're going to be able to do it more profitably, and that's going to push you out of the market. Okay. So the question for today was how to use AI for business. Use it to replace repeatable tasks, use it to replace simple decisions, and you have to communicate that to the AI or get a system built for you on that. So again, my name's Brett. I'm with GetLocalLeads.ai. If you want to chat about your business and how you're thinking about implementing AI into it, love to chat more. Feel free to check out the link in the description. We'll see you in the next video.